try 1250. There we go. Got one contract at 1250. So not going to make a lot if it comes in my favor. But on the flip side, if I am wrong, my risk is going to be very much controlled. So giving this thing a little bit of wiggle room, but again, I'm in at 1250. $9.12 being very, very stubborn. All right, I'm going to take the $65 loss there. Go ahead and get short here. 177.20. So looking for this thing to come back down now. Ideally have it get back down below 177. Well, that's not a great move. Again, let's see if it wants to come down. Got to give it some wiggle room. Nothing's ever going to go straight in your favor. All right, got to get out there. So a $195 loss on that one. In at 912.05. Let's see, can we get the break? I am in. Now it's just a matter of, wow. Does 912 fall? There's the break. See if we can get some more downside pressure here. Oh, wow, fantastic. Very good. Have 25 shares left. Gonna call it good on that trade. There we go. And we are back to being green. Up $57. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.